Good morning, Dynasty traders. Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Today is the 1st of April, 2025. Let's share a screen. Okay, perfect. All right. So, market open was a couple minutes ago. Had YouTube was giving me a hard time starting the stream. Finally made it. Let's go. All right. So, we are currently uh, stuck within this range from this low to this high during the Asia and London. We're between both. Okay. We took after the open a little sell side over buy side over here, liquidity. All right. Didn't manage to get below the uh, sell side, and now we're going to be basically waiting. Okay. I'm going to wait for one of these to be taken out or a type of structure within this leg that's going to signal um, a move higher, basically. So let's see. Let's see. So on the 1 minute, it's a lot of traffic right here, just a lot of noise. At 10 a.m., 10 a.m., let's see what 10 a.m. Well, first is 9:45, which is now. It's going to be the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. And at 10 a.m., we have ISM Manufacturing PMI and JOLTS. Yep, PMI and prices ISM. At 10 with JOLTS. So it's going to be a lot of, well, volatility. And we'll see if we're going to actually catch a trade before or maybe wait for after the fact. So yeah, my goal is to see one of these get taken. So this one or this one. And see how price action reacts to one of those being taken. Okay. Having a hard time um, getting a body past this high for now. Let's see what we get. All right. I'll push through. We have this. Opa. Let's zoom a little. Let's go get it. Let's take this off. We have a little. Is there a volume imbalance with this one? No, no volume imbalance. So this is a little CB. Okay. And this CB is gonna align probably with the either probably 618. Opa. Let's see. Oh, 70%. Then I see this structure is as bullish, right? New low, new low, new high over this one. Going straight through. Let's see how it's going to react to this little sell order block. Order blocks, I color them in green. So stopping on the 70% retracement. Over here on this push up, we have a little volume imbalance. So let's take that, bring it over here. Boom. Let's see. Okay, so it's reversing at this order block at the 70% retracement also. Okay, interesting. So you see within this leg down, the structure changed, right? But I want to see a new high within this leg or a new low for the longer, bigger time frame structure. And I don't like how it left these type of lows right here. Doesn't sit well with me. And these are all at the same spot. Like, I don't know. We'll see. So right now, let's see if we zoom out. 5 minute. 5 minute. Okay. The last fair value gap on the 5 minute started at this beginning of the order block. Okay, so here, because there's a little volume imbalance right here. So stop right before. Which is interesting. So maybe here I'd like it to complete. Oh, I was going to say to use this, if it closes here, use this fair value gap as uh, a zone to buy within this leg, but it's a possible, reversal within this zone. because of the, I guess, bias it's giving us also within this leg up, right? Because if we uh, go with market structure, right? So we have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, and then we start shifting. Boom, boom, boom. Took out this one. Boom, took out this one. But now this low within this leg has been disrespected, right? So it's kind of tough to gauge for now. And it's probably also in a 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, a 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. So let's just take this off. 15-minute fair value gap starts over here, finishes here, and it stopped, wow, exactly at the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. Okay, so let's go back in um, the 1 minute, see what's good. Bodies close below this. Usually you don't, it's not a good sign, and a gap down below the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap, busy. But yeah, these lows look seem weak. They seem weak. Let's see, 9:45. So PMI, S&P Global Manufacturing PMI came out at 50.2 with an expected of 49.8. So it's good for the dollar. Dollar's going up. Yeah, that was a nice little spot to reverse. Right on the order block. Boop. And right on the consequent encroachment of that 15-minute SIBI. Okay. Can't see anything here on the 1 minute. Let's see if we could see something on the 5 minute. Okay, so it's currently in a went below the 50%. Right? Did it? No, it didn't. Perfect. So it's currently at a 5 minute. Yeah, this can be. I think these are going to be taken. We took this. We took this. We didn't take this because it was the last like line of defense before we go take this high. So yeah, I'm really looking at these equal lows over here. Nice little liquidity, and possibly maybe use this as a inversion. Actually, you know what? Let's take a stab at this. Okay, version, fair value gap. Put it at this high. Stop loss. Take profit at these lows. Okay, and let's see. Just I'll put it right above this. How you say? Right above this order block. The stops right here. So let me put it right there. There it goes. All right. So that's the news coming in. It's gonna be some nice whipsawing right here. There you go. I think we're going for these equal lows, possibly. If not, I mean, I'm gonna get stopped out, most probably. It's either or. 10 a.m. All right. Blah, 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 blah. Um, PMI, manufacturing PMI is down by 5, but oh, manufacturing prices is up. Expected 64.6. Uh, Actual is 69.4. But JOLTS job openings and labor turnovers is lower. So I think we should have a move down from here. And you know what? Gonna reduce my risk, bring it above this high to 152, 150 bucks, and that's it. Reduce that risk to 150 bucks from what 900 seems reasonable, and these equal lows are the ones that we're going to be targeting. So here we go. Come on, you can do it. All right. So it took this low. Just gonna go break even plus commission, which is 20 bucks. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. That's so I mean that's why you put your stop loss break even after you hit like that 1-to-1 mark. I was at 1,000, I don't know what, and put it at break even. Save your ass. Well, let's see what we could do. I'm hope I'm hoping you guys are liking this. I find it fun explaining how my brain works, type of thoughts that I have. I mean, if it could help you guys, why not? Why not? Probably going to see another full body candle go all the way up here. If not, it's good for me. Yeah, there it goes. There it is. Kind of know what I'm saying from time to time. But now I'd like to see it close, like ideally below this 5 minute uh, BISI over here. If we go back, this one. Yeah, there you go. 1 minute below the top half. Patience, grasshopper. Nice. It's gonna come back up here. About oh, getting some momentum to the downside. Let's see a little close over here. Yes, good, good stuff. Close below the bottom half. There's like a haircut type of scenario. These low, and we just took profits, ladies and gentlemen, right here. Let's put the execution like that people can see. So trading executions, bam. All right. So we saw the price action reverse at the 70% retracement, the order block, and at the consequent encroachment of the 15-minute. So if I take this off, so this is the order block at the 1 minute, okay? At the 5 minute, we have probably, well, the beginning of another SIBI. And on the, let's just clear this. this part right here, clear this part right here, and go on the 15-minute. It stopped at the consequent encroachment of the 15-minute, right? So once I saw that, all three together, and on top of that, the 70% retracement of the move where the bodies were stopping. So let's see, 70% retracement right here. You see bodies stopped at the 70, reversed. So given all of this intel that we receive, right, with price action, okay, I decided to take a short at this inversion fair value gap once it entered there, which proved to be the right decision. And also, I took these like as haircut candles, like I think ICT says. They just pierce just to create some uncertainty, and then you see the bodies of these pair of candles to create uncertainty. The bodies were staying below the uh, top half of this 5-minute BISI, which became an inversion fair value gap once we came back and retraced into it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked. Like and subscribe, show the love, and talk to you tomorrow. Ciao.